Hi and welcome to our hotel tour of the DoubleTree Osaka Castle. We are really excited for our stay here. We are staying in a one king bed executive room which overlooks the river through Osaka. We booked this hotel directly through Hilton using the Hilton Honors app, and we're really excited, like I said, for our stay here at the DoubleTree. Join us for this tour because what we'll be taking you through is the breakfast area, the restaurant, the lobby, the room tour, the fitness centre, and also the executive lounge. So it'll be a full breakdown of everything that you can have. We paid a total of £650 for our reservation for 3 nights. So it's not the cheapest hotel, but we think it's worth it because we get loads of perks from being a member through the Hilton Honors app. So join us for this hotel tour and let's go inside and look at the lobby. Okay, so you come out of the elevator up to the arrival lobby, and this is where you'll check in for your stay. The staff here are super friendly and super helpful as well. So this is the check-in area. Behind us there is the Sen restaurant, lounge, bar and market as well. We'll take you to have a look at that, and we'll also show you the breakfast. Okay, so this is the bar area of the DoubleTree Osaka Castle. A lovely little perk that you get if you're a Hilton Honors member. You do get some discount at the bar. Because we're Diamond members, we got 25% discount, which made the drinks really affordable. All really new, all really modern, and they've got a great variety of cocktails, snacks, and whatever drinks you could want. And we absolutely loved that you got a perfect view of Osaka Castle. We sat here one evening having a drink, watching this all lit up in the night time. Now over to breakfast. So you've got a self-serve coffee machine with hot water and teas. There's loads of different smoothies which are made fresh daily, and a fresh matcha soft serve ice cream machine. Over here you've got loads of different fruit to choose from, again replenished daily, iced coffee that you can make here, as well as water and fresh milk. Then you've got a really nice cereal section and loads of different toppings, yogurts, little desserts and little puddings as well. Over here is where you'll see the breads and pastry section. So as you can see, you've got bagels, fresh pastries, fresh bread that you can chop yourself, a lovely little donut wall which we loved. They've also got a cool pancake machine as well. Only slight criticism that we had of this was that there was only one toaster. Over this way now, this is where you've probably got a little bit more of your Asian selection here, so we didn't try much of this. We weren't too adventurous with our breakfast options, but what we did have most days was the fresh salad bar, which was really great. Typical options there, but you've also got some like couscous and grains as well that you could add in as well. There's also a really useful allergen guide which is all dotted around. Over here you've got the cold cuts and cheese section as well, so again replenished really regularly and really fresh. And then your fresh juices as well. We did mistake grapefruit juice for orange juice though. Ooh. There's a fresh noodle bar here as well, so you've got your cold toppings there. You've got gyozas and stewed fish there, rice porridge, loads, like I said, to choose from. The variety was so good. There's also some fresh dim sum that you could get as well, and all your toppings there. You did have a hot food section, so as you can see, you've got rice, potatoes, an omelette there, like a big omelette that you could cut some of your own pieces off, and then some more porridge. Then you had the sort of main hot area. They had takoyaki, not as good as the street food, but still really nice to try. And then your more typical Western sausage, eggs, stuff like that as well. But one thing that we did love, being typically British, was that they had baked beans. So absolutely loved having that and just having a little home comfort. They also had your bacon and everything like that as well. Like I said, loads of different variety that you could have at the breakfast at the DoubleTree. Really worth it. We get it complimentary being a Diamond member, but I would say it's probably worth paying to start your day off with that as well. Here's a look at everything we got, and we did get quite a lot, but there is some fresh fruit there, so not too unhealthy. And again, this was your view just overlooking the DoubleTree, the castle You've also got the Sen convenience store as well, which just had some basic essentials. Do bear in mind it is a little bit more expensive because you're obviously paying for the convenience of it being at the hotel, but just some basic essentials that you might need. As you can see there, you can get water, soft drinks and everything like that. But they also had a little coffee bar here as well. So you could get your iced drinks, your iced matcha latte, and loads of different selection there as well. This is the pool area, and as you can see, the opening hours for that is between 6 o'clock in the morning and 10 o'clock at night. The fitness centre is 24 hours. Here's the indoor pool. Presumably it's heated, but it looks really, really nice actually. Now we've not utilised this, but like we said, it looks really nice. And through this way to the fitness centre and the locker room as well. Now we won't show the locker room for obvious reasons, but hopefully we can show the fitness centre this way. So this is the fitness centre, so you've got some basic equipment in there, treadmills, weights, everything like that. And this is on floor 8 of the hotel as well. So we'll now take you up to see the executive lounge. So you get the executive lounge access if either you're a diamond member like we are, or if you're staying in an executive room, okay? We'll take you up there now. The executive lounge is on the 20th floor. It's open from 6:30 in the morning until 8 o'clock at night, and it's absolutely enormous. Oh wow, this is amazing.
It's massive.
And you can see the castle from up here as well. Now it's only staffed from 11 o'clock in the morning onwards, but there's always complimentary soft drinks in here for you to come and help yourself to. And like Kieran said, it's absolutely enormous. They also do an afternoon tea in here between 2:30 and 4 o'clock, where you can have tea, coffee, soft drinks, snacks and original cakes. And they also do an evening cocktail hour where snacks are prepared by the chefs, and also you'll get some complimentary alcoholic beverages. Really, really beautiful in here, plenty of room. We've been to some executive lounges at Hilton's where they're tiny little rooms, whereas this is enormous. And as you will see behind me, or you might not be able to actually because it might be a bit washed out, there is a view of the castle. Now usually in executive lounges they'll do a continental style breakfast, however in this one they don't. It's only served in the Sen restaurant downstairs. We are staying in room 1833, which is a 1 king bed executive room. So as soon as you walk in, straight to your left, you've got the bathroom. Now this is the same setup in a lot of hotels in Japan, where you'll have your main vanity unit and area. And there's Kieran waving. To the left will be the lavatory, the toilet. And then to the right will be a wet room, which has got a small bath and a shower. Shower pressure is really good as well. You've also got loads of complimentary toiletries, shaving kits, toothbrushes as well, so if you forget anything. There's a hairdryer underneath, and then also plug sockets in here as well. This way through to the main room. You've got a full-length mirror here. Check yourself out when you're getting ready in the morning. And then into the main room, you've got a huge king-size bed, really big TV screen as well, and there is a HDMI port. We're assuming that if you want to connect your television on there, you can. You get complimentary Nespresso pods and an espresso machine as well. And then other complimentary tea and coffee. There is also a fridge in here. Now, what I thought was really good when we checked in, they said that there are a couple of bottles of water in the room, so if you're a member with Hilton, you'll get that, but they only provide 1 per your stay. You've also got a jug and an ice bucket, so you will be able to get filtered water and ice on every floor. There's a station so that you can refill, and that prevents wastage from plastic bottles. You've got a nice big wardrobe space, and there's a lovely iron and ironing board. We love the iron because it's wireless. Oh, cordless, wireless, cordless even. Big safe here as well. And then at every hotel we stayed in Japan, they give you complimentary pajamas, not to keep, but just to wear while you're staying. Finally, you've got a nice table and chair area, so you can, oh, nearly tripped. Nice table and chair area where you can just relax. and look at the view. We've got a river view. You can also get these rooms with a castle view and everything like that. There's plenty of plug sockets around the rooms. There's some at the table, either side of the bed. You can also tell it's a really new hotel because they don't just have USB sockets, they've got USB-C sockets already built in. That's our room at the DoubleTree Hilton Osaka Castle. And don't forget, you also get the famous DoubleTree cookie when you check in. So that concludes our hotel tour of the DoubleTree by Hilton Osaka Castle. Couldn't recommend it enough. It's been a gorgeous hotel. All the staff have been super helpful and super friendly as well. Don't forget, like I said earlier, you get your DoubleTree cookie when you check in, which is extra tasty and another reason to join this hotel as well. Couldn't recommend it enough. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like the video, comment down below and subscribe to our channel for more hotel tours.